Welcome everyone, I'm Chef Christy and I'm so glad that you're watching today because the recipe I want to show you how to make is my power muffins. I absolutely love these muffins. They're another quick grab and go breakfast. You can place a couple muffins in a Ziploc bag and keep them in your freezer and then they're ready for you. I'm going to go over these ingredients with you, but they are not only delicious, they are good for you. They're gluten-free and there's no added sugar. You sweeten them with bananas and dates, and that is the secret, and that really gives them a good flavor. They're sweet, they're just so good. So I hope that you try them. So let's get started. Okay, so I just want to go over these ingredients with you. They're oats, dates that have been soaking in water, chia seeds, flax meal, 2 eggs, baking soda, walnuts, which is optional, coconut oil, and then your bananas. And I'm just going to place all this in a food processor and blend it all up. If you don't have a food processor, that's okay. You can just get oat flour, and then you might want to try to see if you can blend your dates. Sometimes you can do that in a blender, but I'm going to show you just how I make mine. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm removing my dates from the liquid, and the liquid just helps them to soften. It makes them a little bit easier to blend up, and then I'm just going to blend this up. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I've just cut my bananas. I'm dropping some of these, but I just cut up my bananas and I'm going to place them in the food processor and blend them up with the dates. Okay, so I'm going to scrape the sides and just keep on blend until it's nice and incorporated. There we go. Okay, to this I'm just going to dump 2 cups of old-fashioned oats and blend this up. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the rest of these ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of ground flax meal, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 eggs, and if you wanted to make these vegan, you could definitely do that by using a flax egg. And then there's 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And then I'm just going to put the lid back on and blend all this together. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add, it's about 1 or 2 tablespoons of walnuts. And like I said, that's optional, but I just really like the addition of the nuts in my muffins. So it is ready. Now I'm just going to put them into a greased muffin tin. Okay, so this couldn't be any easier. Like I said, I've greased my muffin tin. I do that instead of the little muffin liners, but you can use a muffin liner if you want. And then I'm just going to scoop in just until it's about a little bit more than halfway full. Okay, these actually made about 15, so that's a good amount. And I'm going to place it into a 350-degree oven for right around 15 minutes or so. Okay, the muffins are all done, so all I'm going to do is just transfer them to this nice platter to let them cool. Okay, I really do hope that you try these muffins. I know that you're going to love them. And they're not only nutritious and delicious, they are just amazing and a good quick breakfast. They have the flax meal in them and the chia seeds, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and with the bananas and the dates, they're high in potassium. They're just a really good muffin, and that's why I call them my power muffins, because they just energize me for the rest of the day. So if simple and delicious recipes are something that you're interested in, then you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I'm uploading new videos each week, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of them, so hit the little notification bell and share these recipes with all of your friends and help me to grow my channel. It has been fun cooking for you today with one of my very favorite power muffins. So Let's try this and see if they're any good. I don't even know why I said that. I know they're good. They are delicious. You've got to try it. I don't know if you can see the steam, but they're still warm. So, as always, have a great day, and I will see you soon.